Hello everyone. If you're watching this video, then odds are you have a Yi camera and you're having problems connecting to the app. Every time you try to start up the app, it'll just like sit there and then it'll shut off. At least on the Apple iOS it does this. And then it'll shut off again. This is real time me trying to connect to my camera. It even shows the camera once and then it just shuts off. Well, there is no fix in the app, but here's an update. Go into cellular data, turn it off. And then once you turn cellular data off, then you can use your Yi app as normal. It'll say no network connection, but you can just click on the camera icon, click on the camera you have, and then it'll connect every time. Now I'll show you this works because I actually connect it 3 times. I actually close out the app and then open it back up to show you that this works. But keep in mind and remember that when you're doing this, you can't receive a phone call. I think there's a glitch or a bug in the software that if the cellular network is enabled, cellular data, it just a lot of times it won't let you link up to your camera, and it's been like this for about a year, and until they get a fix, this is the workaround for that, so that you guys can use your cameras. And don't forget when you're done with your camera to re-enable cellular data so you can receive your phone calls just like normal. Anyways, I hope this guide helps somebody. Give a like, smash or comment and subscribe.